What is resolution? So, resolution is pretty much finishing off your story, finishing off your movie completely, whether it's for your script. And what you want to do is you want to remember the resolution can either be like a happily ever after kind of moment, or you can use a little cliffhanger, that's what I like to do in most of my stuff, to leave it open for a next part of your book or next part of your movie, short film, whatever you want to do. I like to use that mostly. It's hard because if you're not going to continue working it and you leave your book kind of open and there's no going to be any real resolution by the end of your trilogy or whatever you're going to do, it's kind of like it leads the readers on, and it makes them not really trust in you as an author. I know someone that has done that, and they lead this whole amazing adventure just to have a really bad ending. And it affects a lot of readers who are so excited just to have something kind of thrown back in their face. So remember, resolution can either happily ever after or use cliffhangers to keep them wanting more. But remember, you do want to end up eventually finishing it off with a real resolution, whether it's a happy one or a sad one, but just end it after all.